Hey everyone, Lucas at Lamin-x, and today I'm going to be showing you how to tint the side markers on your vehicle using a Lamin-x universal sheet. Let's go. If you watched our other side marker installation videos, you might have noticed that we used a pre-cut kit to cover the side marker on the front fender of the vehicle. But today we're going to be doing an installation on my 2021 Subaru WRX, and the side marker is actually a part of the headlight. So I'm going to be showing you how to use a universal sheet and custom trim to fit to complete this installation of tinting a side marker that is actually a part of the headlight itself. Start off by using some water and some paper towels to clean the area from any dust, dirt, or lint because you don't want anything to get trapped underneath the adhesive as you're installing it. Then remove the Lamin-x from the liner and gently get it in position and tack it on using your fingers, making sure it's covering the entire side marker. And if you do happen to misposition it just a little bit, you can gently pull the Lamin-x back up and apply it back down. I'm just using my fingers in a sweeping motion, making sure all the Lamin-x is applied down as best as it can. And then I'm going to take my water again and gently mist the outside layer of the Lamin-x. And this is going to serve as a lubrication layer as I take my squeegee using a moderate to firm pressure with 4 fingers equally distributed on it to squeegee all the water out from underneath the film. And once you have the Lamin-x all applied down, you can start trimming the fit. I started off following the bottom groove of the headlight, and I found that was the easiest place to start. And once I got rid of some of that excess Lamin-x, I took this opportunity just to make sure that the Lamin-x was fully applied down. And then I started trimming about an inch above the side marker, very carefully so I didn't damage the headlight underneath. But I gave it about an inch of extra Lamin-x on each side just to make sure it's fully covering the side marker. And then we're going to gently peel this off because we don't want to damage our headlight with this adhesive. And now our side marker is completely protected and customized with Gunsmoke Lamin-x. Just repeat the same process on the other side marker. In this case, we chose Gunsmoke, but we also offer our side marker covers in red, tint, Gunsmoke, smoke, and charcoal. As I said, we chose Gunsmoke for this installation and I think it looks great. We also offer the same color options for the rear markers, but the rear markers of this WRX are actually in the tail light, so we're not going to worry about that. If you want to learn more about this product or the color options, go to our website, laminx.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.